stuck somewhere, speak in Hindi, but revert back to English as soon as possible. Okay? There's no hardcore thing that you have to speak in English. Speak in Hindi if you're stuck somewhere, but make sure to revert back in English as soon as possible.
I perceive two characters in the story, and my main character is Ramesh, who is a 24-year-old actor. He's more smoother and.
You can raise your voice ताकि थोड़ा सा effect पड़े.
One day, when Ramesh was coming from the work, his work, he got call from his friend, his friend. She told him that his father is not well and he is admitted in the hospital. So after hearing this, he quickly moved to her house and told her not to worry, and his father will get well soon. Then they both moved to the hospital, and Ramesh had her friend to buy medicines and food for her father, and he also helped her in completing all the formalities.
Abhishek, and there is another side character whose name is Rahul, and he is also male. Both of their ages 20 years, and mood of Abhishek is positive and mood of Rahul is negative. One day when Abhishek was going to grocery shop, he found Rahul midway to the grocery shop, and he found him alone, and when he saw him he was sad and worried. He came to talk to him, and also he shared his experience and
Okay, next.
Good morning, everyone. According to the picture, I have seen two characters. One is male and one is female. The name of the male character is Mukesh, and his age is about 30 years, and his mood is positive. And the other character is female. Her age is about 30 years old. 30 years old, and her mood is also positive. In my story, Mukesh is the father of a son, and he is talking with his son principal. The principal is consulting his son's performance, and the father is thanking her to look after this academy.
Is Geeta. They two were standing in a park and discussing about something. Shyam wants to go outside to speak and finding a job for himself. And he conveying to her female friend.
Okay, next.
According to the picture shown, I have perceived two characters, both of which are male, with age of 20 and 40 years. Their mood is positive. Action of my story is solution to the electrical problem in the village. Ramesh, an electrical engineer, went back to his village, Hua, where he was discussing with the villager about the electrical problem, discussing about the crop growth of that village. But in between, the electricity got cut off. And those villagers told Ramesh that they only got 4 hours of electricity in a day. Ramesh took a major step for it, and along with the villagers, he addressed this problem to the Sarpanch.
Okay, understood. Next.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. From the above picture, I have considered that there are two characters. One is male and second is female. I have considered the male as the main character. The male and female both are in positive moods, and the male is about 26 years and female is about 26 years. I have given those names Shivam and Pooja. Shivam is a politician who is starting in getting votes, who asking votes for his politician career. He started politics from beginnings. He helps the he helps the groups and others. He also consider
between 30 to 25 years old. Ram and Sita was husband and wife and was employed in a private company. One day they were walking aside the park, and Ram suggested his wife that they should help poor people and provide shelter to them. Then every Saturday and Sunday they talk to poor people according to their needs. They provide shelter to them, and they goes also in bird sanctuary where they helping the cleaning with workers there. At last Ram was happy and his wife was proud of him.
I perceive that there are two characters, and my main character of the story is Ram, who is around 18 years old, and his mood is positive. And the action of my story is helping the needy ones. One day when Sham was walking in the park, he saw a girl crying. He immediately asked her that what had happened. She told him that she had lost her wallet, and without losing any time, Ram consulted police officers and was able to find her purse.
Okay, understood. Next.
Good morning everyone. According to my observation, in the given picture there are two characters. One is male and another one is female. Our main character is male named Mayank, and the female character is named Vanchika. They both are, Mayank's mood is positive and Vanchika's mood is negative. They both are badminton player and forms a duel. While having their recent tournament, they face some really tough opponents and they get defeated by a large number of margin. As if they see the reality, they realize that they need to get much better in the game. And while having the match, Vanchika get a knee injury, so she is feeling bad. But our main character Mayank is very
Okay, understood. Next.
Good morning everyone. As depicted in the picture, I concluded that there are two characters, one male and a female character. My main character is the male character named Mohan, and the female character name is Radhika. Both have positive mood, and the age of both is approximately between 20 years. They were both childhood friends. Mohan's father got transferred into a city due to job. After his completion of education, Mohan returned to his village, met Radhika, and spent quality time with them.
Two characters, first is male and second is female. Male is 22 years old and female is 28 years old. The male mood is negative and the female mood is positive. Rohan is a 20-year-old second year BTech student. He is still confused regarding his career. One day he was roaming in a park and met Sunita, who was his senior and now doing job in an IT company. Now he asked help from Sunita, and she guided him well that he should not be too confused regarding his career. Now, as in BTech, there are many career options are open for him. So now focus on his studies, not too much confused.
Okay, understood. Next.
Good morning. For the given picture, I have seen that there are two characters. One is male and the other is female. The male is around 25 years old and the female is around 22 years old. The action of my story is finding the ring. The boy, whose name is Rohan, and he went for a walk near his hometown, and he saw a girl crying there. He asked her that why she is crying. So she told her that she lost the ring which was given by her father. So the Rohan had a helping nature. So he comforted her and found her.
And female of age 15. Female is the main hero of my story. My story is that both were friends and they decided to go to a party. But from returning from a party, the female noticed that her necklace was missing. So she started crying. The male Ram comforted her, and the female suddenly remembered that she went to a shop after the party. They both went searching for the necklace and they found it there.
Okay, next.
From the beginning, we see that there were two characters in the story, one male and another one is female. The main hero of my story is male. His name was Ram, and there were two brother and sister in a village. The sister was crying due to her bad marks in her result in her class, and his brother was convincing him to study hard and get better results.
Okay, understood. Next.
Good morning, everyone. There are two, from the given picture, but I understand there are two individuals. The main user name is Sumit. The mood of the Sumit is positive, and the user name is Ria, and the mood of the Ria is negative. One day Sumit was going from the park to his home. He saw the girl. She was crying in the park. Sumit has actually he asked the girl. He asked the girl what happened. She told her she was harassed by the group of individuals. So he told her we should go to the police station. The main character is Madhav, whose age is around 18 years old and his mood is positive. And the second character of my story is Antar Vishnu, who is around 55 years old. And action of my story is future problem. As Madhav is a child, Madhav is a child who lives in a village. From his childhood only, he saw how the crops is growing. From the side of the Vishnu,
तुमने वो सुनी है क्या प्रॉपर्ली स्टोरी?
from his childhood to see how the Vishnu works in their field and wanted to know how the procedure of the growing fields and other crops are. So he decided to ask.
Okay, understood. Next.
That is a person from the picture that there are two characters, Ram and Ria. Both are 18 years old and have passed their 12th this year only. They both are preparing for civil services examination. One day when Ravi was walking in his village, he saw Ria outside the room. Ria was in a gloomy and sad mood. Ravi asked what's the matter. Ria said that she was not feeling well from the past 3 days. After that, she got fainted. Ravi immediately took her to her home. In her home, Ravi and her parents consulted a doctor. The doctor said that Ria was taking a little stress. After Ria's situation was okay, Ravi asked what's the matter. Ria told her that her parents were not allowing her to study more. After that, Ravi and Ria both convinced their parents about Ria's further education.
Okay, understood. Next.
So good morning everyone. From the given picture, I perceived that there is a boy named Rahul with the age of 20 years and a girl named Seema with the age of 17 years. Seema was very confused about her career and her future, as she wanted to opt her career in Air Force, as she is good at academics and her confidence. But her parents were forcing her to get married and stay in the limits of the village only. But she wanted to leave and get beyond these limits and make her stand in the world full of confidence with the good people. But so now she had come to her brother to take advice from him. As his brother is himself a farmer, a good farmer, he suggested her to get beyond these limits of village and pursue her career and take a stand in the world.
Good morning, everyone. From the given sketch, what I have concluded is that there are two people. One is male, one is female. The male is somewhere between 20 to 24, and the female is somewhere between 19 to 23. The male is positive, and the female is, I would add it on as I have not written. It's negative, and the boy is named Raj, and the female is Ria, Ritu, and Raj is guiding Rita that what she should be doing in the future, as Rita is not sure to what she should be doing and her parents are forcing her. and Raj is guiding her that she should pursue her passion, that is painting. And now coming to the future, Rita is now a painter, and she has created this sketch in the memories of her past that she was once
Okay,
guided by Raj.
understood. Next.
So good morning everyone. I have pursued from this figure that there are two characters, one is male and another one is female. The main character of my story is the male, whose name is Mohan, a 18 years old guy with a neutral mood. And the other one is female, whose name is Ritu, with a negative mood. One day they went on a hill track, they reached the summit, and when they was coming back, they lost their way to go back. Ritu got tensed that how will they go back to their homes and how will they reach back. The Mohan was calm in that situation and also trying to calm Ritu that they will reach safely. Mohan was very sharp. When they started the journey to reach the summit, he put the marks on the trees to not get confused while coming back. to
Okay,
their
understood.
journey.
Story can be possible. Discuss on the characters, discuss on their gender, discuss on their mood, discuss on the background, discuss on the whole image. After 5 minutes, I want a story from this group, a common story, which means a story for which each one of you are saying that okay, this is the right story. And I want you all to decide a narrator from your group. You can start discussion.
I would like to add that in the picture there I have not made two maids, there is one male and one female, and the background is somewhere in the house. So the background is not any outside area.
I would like to give a point. If you will see,
It will be better if you will speak quite loud because you are 21. You have to.
if you see the background, it is a fountain and some trees, so it is more likely to be a park.
According to me, the dress code they are wearing in that picture is simply showing that one of them belong to village and one of them belong to urban area. According to me.
But in this image, the shown area is also shown as urban areas.
According to me, the girl is younger than the boy, and the boy is advising her. So maybe he is advising her about her career because she is at her young age. And as it's a part of a village, I can also conclude that maybe they are coming from a trek or farming.
From the background, I can see that it's not a village, it's somewhere a hotel type of house, like the background is.
From the figure is not showing that it is any type of hotel or no.
But
I agree with this. There was some curtains in the house and the sofa.
I think the background is in Army. They both are standing near a park in Army camp, and as like we can see, the background is a fountain and some trees. So we can easily say that they are somewhere near Army camp.
But we have to make a positive stories that we all can understand and we all.
Okay, let us assume that the boy is positive and the girl is negative, and they both are discussing about their future, and the boy is giving her some good advice.
So as for the theme, as I have said and just number 13 has said, she had lost something. So the theme should be about the loss.
Actually, can be advising the girl about her career options because most of us have.
I agree with your words.
According to me, let me say, according to me, they both looks like they are same of age, so I can't say that the boy is giving her some career advice. I think they both are same.
But the body language of the boy clearly sees that he is doing like that, so he is advising the other.
So Esther can't say anything about.
According to me, in the picture, one of them is from village, and I guess according to the picture, according to the scenario, they were discussing something, and according to me, the village guy was discussing the problems in the village to that urban area guy.
I want to know that how many people are agree with only one story you can tell. Then you will decide.
How many of you agree that they are near?
It's not your concern how many of you agree. You are here to let others agree. You have to put your points.
So okay, let us assume that they are not in village, and let us cut that the urban and the rural areas. Let's focus on the topic of. Yes. No. I don't think that they are advising on career. I think they are advising and they are encouraging
That is
each
good.
other of sports. As
I would like to say that from the picture it was quite clear that the boy is the main character as he was in a very positive mood. So I think everyone will agree with that. The boy is the main character.
Yes.
As the majority of them is main character is boy.
So we should continue
So
after
our
that.
main story, our main character will be boy, and I think let us give him a name Dev.
We should not give the name or we have to give the name that we know, just like Charm or.
Here you don't know his name now. Here you don't know his name.
And
You
chest number
only
10.
see you can only see his chest number.
We can also say that they were roaming in the park and suddenly girls come to his brother, elder brother, whose name is whatsoever, and told her about her career and her parents were forcing her or anything, and now he is giving her advice.
Rather than discussing about other things, we should discuss first the theme. So, how many of you are about the Lost?
So,
No, it's not a politics. It's not a politics
and
going
how
on,
many
and we have to vote.
that achieving
It's a
the
good
career
discussion.
of
Having something lost doesn't make a good story, according to me. So
You don't have to
It
make a
can
good
be
story.
based on
Oh
the-
please, you don't have to make a good story. I want a common story which is logical, which have some facts, and which is your common story. Your common story.
According to me, the boy is from the city and he is telling her the various opportunities that can be obtained in the city.
I agree with chess number 16. As according to the scenario, they both are discussing some problem. As according to the scenario, the boy is consulting the other something, and it is quite simple that they are discussing some problem.
According to me, they both are friends. They met in a park and they are discussing about the future plans. The girl is tense and boy is helping her in choosing the way.
I agree with Chester. I agree with Chester.
Chest number 21 is right, and as the picture was quite daisy, we cannot be agreeing on one topic. We all will have some different views. So let's just have a simple and one single view. So anyone who has a
So I'm
single
going to
topic.
start with it. We have to make a story about the achieving goals and things and to that you are strength. So,
But according to my opinion, I pursue that there is a background which belongs to the, as test number 6 said, that it belongs to a village or an urban area.
It can be of a park.
It can be, but according to me, I said, according to me, it is a
As it's not that clear that it's a village or a urban area, but there is a lot of greenery. We can conclude that it's a park.
Okay, let me give you a chance. First, discuss on their gender, then discuss on their age, then discuss on their mood, then discuss on the theme, the background, and then discuss on the what could be your story. There should be a pattern. First, let's discuss on their gender. Okay, what should you
Okay,
say?
the gender is one is boy and another one is female.
Okay,
And the age.
everyone agree?
Yes.
One is male, one is female.
And the age.
The
Then
age of there is around 18 and 17 years.
Yes, yes.
that is
They both are-
I think
The
that is
mood-
or
They look older. They look older.
The boy older because he is advertising.
The second one looks
Advising.
The boy can be of positive and the girl can be negative.
Yes.
okay, so you have decided the gender, decided the age, decided the mood. Now decided what is seen in the picture. What is the background of the picture? Is it a village? It is a urban? Is it a park, museum, whatever it is?
From the picture it can be.
Let's consider that the background is somewhere near a park.
It can be.
I think it's a park of
We could go for the
a
park.
school. I think it's a park of a school, and they are coming from a career counseling session, and they are discussing about it.
But I cannot find anyone other than those two in the school. So let us
So we
not
are
assume that they are in school. Let us assume that they are in park only.
Yes.
And especially they are meeting in night maybe.
We can also
that is not a hut, that is broken trees or I think
we can also assume that they are spending near a countryside.
that is a village areas and things about that.
It could be.
You cannot find easily a fountain near
As
near
the
a
background
village
was
area.
daisy, we can only conclude that it's a park or a greenery.
Yes.
Yes.
Now discuss further. Now you have
And the boy is giving her some yes. The boy is encouraging her.
It can be of that the girl is confused about her future.
Yes. So
Choosing her careers and things.
Yes.
What she had to do.
The boy is advising him what she could do in that field, that particular field.
They are just saying as a body language.
Okay,
of boy.
you all have decided that they are giving the boy is of a elder age and the girl is of a younger age, and he is giving her, guiding her. Okay, do you agree? Now what will be the actions? How will the boy guide the girl? This is your question mark. Now give points, put actions on this point. What will be the steps of guiding the girl?
So as Mel concluded, the boy is wearing a little urban type of dress. So we can conclude that he's doing job in a city only, and now he is advising her younger sister, which who is in the village, that you should also opt career outside the village and go beyond your limits. I get it.
Yes, she can go beyond the limit, but what are the actions? How is he letting her guide? वो उसे कैसे गाइड कर रहा है? What will be those actions? क्या उसने किसी का फोन नंबर दिया? क्या उसने कोई एक्शन बताया? क्या उसने बताया कि तू इस चीज़ की पढ़ाई कर ले? क्या उसने बताया तू यहाँ इस कॉलेज में एडमिशन ले ले? What will be the actions? अरे आपके घर में छोटा भाई बहन है?
From the picture, I guess the boy is more older than the girl, and with his experience, he can help her. Like he can borrow her books or tell her how to use internet, as she is from village.
आजकल बेटा विलेज में सब होता है. ये तो आपने
So
Okay,
let us agree that they both are.
First of all, I am going to say that everyone is agree with these points. You also agree. You want to share any points about the story?
Considering her to be calm and prepared according to it, not to.
We can also say that the boy could be a soldier who is on off these days in her village. So he is advising her younger sister
Okay.
to how to clear SSB.
Okay, done. The time is over. Tell who will be the leader of your group who will narrate the story.
That I have considered some members who can charge. For chest number 19, chest number 11, chest number 12, 21, sorry, chest number.
I want one. I can't let everyone speak.
बता रहा हूँ तुम इसके पीछे में
I would
मुझे भी बता रही है.
nominate
It's
chest
your
number
group.
19.
chest number 1, chest number 4 also.
Okay, who will be your narrator?
And you chest number 21.
Yes.
Okay, chest number 19. You are nominated by your group for the group story. Now narrate the whole story which you have discussed about and tell me a common story of your group.
So as we can see the picture, we perceive that the boy is around the age of 25 years and the girl is younger than him, maybe of age of 19 or 20. And the boy is advising. The boy can be. The boy just came from her duty, from whatsoever is his career, and now he is advising her younger sister to how to opt and how to clear the SSB exam, as the girl has already cleared her as her written exam, and she is tense about the SSB exam. So now the boy is advising her and giving her suggestions, tips to how to clear the NDA, SSB, and interview and all the other parameters. And they were roaming in the park. They just met to each other.
आपने आप काफी अच्छे पॉइंट बोले. आई लाइक द वे आपने अपनी स्टोरी कैसे क्रिस बोला कि वी विल डू दिस दिस दिस. दैट वाज अ फाइन थिंग. बट योर स्टोरी वाज नॉट अलाइनिंग विद द इमेज. व्हाई ओनली टू पीपल आर गोइंग ऑन अ हिल ट्रैक? व्हाई ओनली दे बोथ आर गोइंग? इफ दे वर फ्रॉम अ बैक फ्रॉम अ हिल ट्रैक, वेयर आर द अदर पीपल्स? दैट इज अ क्वेश्चन मार्क ऑन योर स्टोरी. वेयर आर दोस? If they are coming from a hill track, why the girl is wearing a short? There is no bag with them. Are they waiting in a park? There is a lot of question mark on your stories कि वो कहाँ है? वो चीज़ें गायब है. You said they are on a hill track. अरे जल्दी do it fast यार. They are on a hill track. तो कहाँ है वो लोग? आपने GD अच्छी ली, but your story was lacking it. ये आपका point है. अभी अपनी story देखना. Chest number 20, Aniket. Aniket right? आपने
अभी कर काम
आपने आपकी ना योर स्टोरी वाज वेरी वेल, बट आपने अपने कैरेक्टर में बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम दिया. यू एक्सप्लेन अ कैरेक्टर अ लॉट. अपने कैरेक्टर को इतना एक्सप्लेन नहीं करना कभी भी. कैरेक्टर मेरा ये है यहाँ है. नो, इट्स नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. ओनली टेल द नेम ऑफ योर कैरेक्टर, हिज एज, हिज जेंडर एंड हिज मूड. नथिंग एल्स देन दैट. आपने ना अपनी स्टोरी, आपकी स्टोरी का जो मेन पॉइंट था ना, मैंने आपको बोलता आपकी नाइस वॉइस बॉक्स आप तो अच्छा यूज़ कर सकते हो. प्लस आपकी स्टोरी में कुछ पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस दिख रहे थे. यू सेड दे हैविंग अ you written a wrong word, that was family pressure or like parental pressure. That is a very wrong word. Do you have any parental relationship from your family or your sister is having? So this is showing that you must have seen it somewhere.
But we can conclude that in villages, there is parental pressure that the girl should marry and not go beyond the limits of village.
But the girl, you guys, right, you didn't look at their, तुमने उनके कपड़े नहीं देखे? They, both of them were looking like a urban people. The girl was wearing a shorts in a good dress. The man was well dressed. They both were looking of a urban people, and that was scene of a park. There was a fountain there. There was a park out there. There was greenery there. ये greenery और fountain ऐसी greenery this you will find only in an urban park, एक urban park में. Plus उनका dressing style ऐसा था कि वो दिख रहे थे they are from an urban area. तो village का scene था. दूसरी चीज, कौन है वो लोग जिन्होंने अपनी स्टोरी में दोनों मेल दे रखे हैं? भाई तुम्हें जेंडर ही पहचान में आ रहे हैं. वो दिख रही है लड़की है भाई. तुम तीन लोगों ने ना, तुम तीन की तरह स्टोरी में मेल, किसी और की स्टोरी में मेल थे दोनों. तुम लोगों ने पता क्या किया है? तुम तीनों ने लिखी है प्री कंसीव स्टोरी. पता है मतलब क्या होता है इसका? पहले से कहीं पढ़ लिए, बस उसको जबरदस्ती घुसाया है अपनी इमेज में. घुस जा बेटा घुस जा. दैट वाज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. आपने अपने बीच में एक्शन का डिस्क्रिप्शन वो अच्छा दिया था कि लेट्स डू दिस दिस दिस. दैट वाज अ गुड पॉइंट. प्लस आपने अपने उस पर कुछ चीज़ी वर्ड्स लिखे थे. मतलब आपने लिखा कि कुछ लिखा है आपने, उसमें कुछ चीज़ी वर्ड्स लिखे हुए हैं कि शी विल मोटिवेट दिस एंड दिस. नेवर यूज दो चीज़ी वर्ड्स. मुझे तुम्हारी ना वो इंग्लिश नहीं चाहिए. आई वॉन्ट कि तुम लोग उसे यूज़ करो जो रियल है. आप चीज़ी वर्ड यूज़ करोगे कि शी विल मोटिवेट देम एंड दे विल फाइट बियॉन्ड द लिमिट्स. तो ये वर्ड सिर्फ दिखने में अच्छे लगते हैं. आप जो GDM बोल रहे हो ना, क्रिस्प बोलो. राइट ओनली एक्शन. एक्शन में ये हुआ, ये मैंने तुम्हें इतने बार बोला भाई तुमने वर्ड लिख लो सेक्सुअली असॉल्टेड, तो बी देयर कि आपको कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस आएंगे. आप सिंपल चीज़ बोल रहे हैं कुछ ऐसे. सेक्सुअली असॉल्ट एक बहुत बड़ा वर्ड है, बहुत डीप वर्ड है वो. सेक्सुअली असॉल्ट में लड़की रोते हुए उस लड़के के पास नहीं जाएगी, रैंडम लड़के के पास. शी विल डायरेक्टली गो टू हर पेरेंट्स. सबसे पहले पेरेंट्स को कॉल करेगी कि मेरे साथ ये हुआ है. शी विल गो टू पुलिस स्टेशन. वो किसी रैंडम लड़के को नहीं बोलेगी देती कि भाई मेरे साथ ये हो गया. रैंडम लड़का क्यों हेल्प करेगा भाई उसकी? तो आपने जो अपना सेक्सुअली असॉल्ट वाली चीज़ लिखी हुई है ना, वो एक बहुत बड़ा वर्ड था. उसको थोड़ा सा मिनिमाइज करो. ऐसे वर्ड अगर आप यूज़ करोगे ना तो डायरेक्ट हिट आएगा आपके ऊपर कि भाई तूने अपना वैसे एक्सपीरियंस देखा है. आपकी स्टोरी दिखा रही है कि आपके पास क्या पास एक्सपीरियंस रहे हैं. आपने या तो ये चीज़ें कहीं देखी है, मूवी के शौकीन हो ऐसे सब कहीं ना कहीं देखा होगा मूवीज़ में, तो बस वो इमेज वही दिमाग में है वही. अरे कोई बात नहीं, बट मैं बता रही हूँ कि तुमने ये जो किया है ना, ये तुमने पक्का कोई पास एक्सपीरियंस रहा है दिमाग. दूसरी चीज़, पार्क विलेज में, इतना बड़ा पार्क, इतना अच्छा पार्क विलेज में. थीम तो सोचते पहले कि पार्क की बात कर रहे हो, विलेज में पार्क. हाँ, कंट्री साइड बोलते हैं, तुम विलेज के साथ पार्क कैसे बोल रहे हो? हाँ, फाउंटेन है भाई विलेज में. कौन से ये मठंडेरा विलेज ही है. तुम्हें कौन सा फाउंटेन का पार्क दिख गया है? मुझे एक पार्क में दिखा है यहाँ पे, खाली ग्राउंड दिखते हैं मुझे बस यहाँ पे. ये विलेज ठंडेरा विलेज. तुम्हें कौन सा पार्क दिख गया? मुझे फाउंटेन लगा हुआ है. मेरे को तो नहीं दिखा. मेरे को ट्राइगल पार्क दिखा. ट्राइगल पार्क है थोड़ा विलेज. सेकंड चीज़, बूमिंग. आपकी स्टोरी में काफ़ी लंबी थी बट देयर वाज नो एक्शन. एक्शन ही कमी थी स्टोरी में. आपका मुझे स्वाति बोलने का तरीका अच्छा लगा बट आपने GD में बहुत कम बोला. लड़की ने तो बोला ही नहीं भाई, चुप बैठ रही है बिल्कुल कि बस हो जाए, जल्दी निपट जाए बस है आपका. हाँ, आपकी स्टोरी में लड़का थोड़ा सैड दिख रहा है. स्टोरी को ढंग से देखते ना तो द गर्ल वॉज लुकिंग लाइक क्वाइट इन अ नेगेटिव मूड एंड द बॉय वॉज लुकिंग इन अ पॉजिटिव मूड. लड़का लग रहा है कि यार थोड़ा वो ना उसे पैसिफाई कर रहा है. लग रहा है कि हाँ भाई तू शांत हो जा, काम करा रहा है उसे. तो वो चीज़ को आपने हाईलाइट करना था स्टोरी में कि द गर्ल इज अ नेगेटिव मूड एंड द बॉय. तुम लोगों ने दोनों को पॉजिटिव मूड दिया, वो समझ नहीं है कहाँ से भाई गर्ल तो लग रही है ऐसी कर रही है वो. तुमने उनके एक्शन देखे ही नहीं. और दूसरी चीज़ तुम दोनों, हाँ भाई देख बेटा, जब GD चल रही होती है ना तो GD में डिस्कशन करना होगा, मैच में डिस्कशन नहीं करना होगा. सब लोग बोलो तुम्हारा अंडरस्टैंड चल रहा है वहाँ पे. यस GC, आपकी स्टोरी में लव एंगल कहाँ से आ गया? इसकी स्टोरी में वन लव है. इसकी स्टोरी में लड़का लड़की को पसंद करते हैं, लड़का चला गया दूर और लड़की से मिलने आया, बाद दोनों शादी करती है. भाई ये तूने किया है कि शादी है ना, हुआ है क्या? तो कहाँ से आई? वाई? तू घर जाना, अपनी स्टोरी में खुद से रीड करना और सोशल मीडिया से क्यों बोला. ओके देव, हाँ मैं वही बोल रही हूँ, इसका पक्का पास एक्सपीरियंस है, पक्का इसका पास एक्सपीरियंस. देव, पहली गलती जो तुम GD में डिस्कशन, जो तुम नेशन के विषय में डिस्कशन लेके बैठ गए थे आपके कि ये करते. दूसरी चीज़, तूने बीच में कुछ गुड पॉइंट बोले, तूने इसका पॉइंट काटा था ना, पूरा पॉइंट कि भाई ऐसे भी हो सकता है, वो रखेगा और लॉजिकल पॉइंट देगा। शुभम, आपने थीम के बारे में बात की, बहुत गुड। स्टार्टिंग में आपका आई कॉन्टेक्ट बहुत अच्छा था, आपने सबके आई कॉन्टेक्ट, लेकिन आप धीरे धीरे नर्वस हो रहे थे। आई कैन सी दैट ऑन योर फेस। तुमने स्टार्टिंग अच्छी करी कि आई कॉन्टेक्ट करो, लेकिन आई कॉन्टेक्ट करते करते तुम नर्वस हो गए। ठीक है शुभम, वही सेम चीज़, पार्क को डिस्क्राइब नहीं किया भाई। अगर तुम स्टोरी में पार्क बोल रहे हो ना तो बताओ तो कि ये विलेज नहीं है, ये अर्बन है।
जीडी में क्या था फाउंटेन?
हाँ तुम जी, मैंने वही बोला, तुमने तो क्या करी, तुमने अपने स्टोरी में कुछ और बोला, बट जीडी के टाइम पे बेटा राइट थिंग में जीडी में चीज़ बताई कि यार ये ना ऐसे है कि यहाँ पे फाउंटेन दिख रहा है, तुमने डिस्क्राइब किया उसको, लॉजिकल पॉइंट बोले कि भाई फाउंटेन दिख रहा है उसमें, लड़की है दिख रही है, तो दैट वाज अ गुड पॉइंट। आई होता है आपने मैंने पूरी कहानी लिखी है। पहली चीज़, स्टोरी में पॉलिटिक्स कहाँ से आ गई, और आपने अपनी पॉलिटिक्स जीडी में दिखा दी। वोट लेट वोट, व्हाई इट्स अ जीडी भाई, पॉलिटिक्स से चल रही है यहाँ पे कि भाई वोट करते हैं, सब अपनी जीडी कर रहे हैं, बट आयुष वोट भाई करे क्या सही है, सब लोग एग्री करते हो भाई, ऐसे एग्री नहीं कराना होता लोगों, अपने पॉइंट्स दो, बाकी जनता भाग में रहे, सुनने वाला यहाँ बैठा, तुम्हें यहाँ लोगों को बोले। और एक और चीज़, तूने बीच में थोड़ा फिंगरिंग भी करी भाई, एग्री हाथ नीचे कर ले अपने, तेरे हाथ ये जाते रहते इधर। और हाँ एक और चीज़ तूने बीच में बोली कि हाँ ये जो बीच में तो अननेसेसरी लीड लेता है ना, आई थिंक लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द स्टोरी, ओके लेट्स डू दिस। वो एक्स्ट्रा लीड की जरूरत नहीं है, इट्स गुड कि तू भी लीडरशिप स्किल दिखा रहा है, बट वो ना जीडी में दिखा रहा है, जीडी में उसकी जरूरत नहीं है। जीडी में पुट योर पॉइंट्स, जीडी को लीड करो, बट ऐसे लीड करो कि भाई कितने लोग एग्री करते हो, वो नहीं करना, पॉलिटिक्स नहीं। मैं तेरी स्टार्ट अच्छी थी, बट भाई विलेज का सीन, क्रॉप, तुमने प्री कंसीव स्टोरी को अपनी स्टोरी में घुसा दिया कि भाई क्रॉप वाला सीन है, वही जो तीनों का हाल था, प्री कंसीव स्टोरी तुमने बताई है। उसके बाद आर्यन बहुत कम बोला, स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा सा बोला, उसके बाद जीडी में तो आर्यन ने दिखाई नहीं। भास्कर सेम चीज़, दीपांशु ने स्टार्ट अच्छा किया, पॉइंट तरीके से बैठा रहा, सब सही था, बट जीडी में कहाँ पे गया, सिर्फ नरेशन करना इज नॉट योर मोटिव, योर मोटिव इज टू बी इन दिस प्लेस फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग टू एंड, स्टार्टिंग से लेके एंड तक तुम्हें अपना जो वो है ना यहाँ पे तौरा जो बोलते हैं उसे बना के रखना है। हाँ उस इंट्रो में तौरा भी बना के रखना है, ताकि हर कोई तुम्हें याद कर, तुम यहाँ से उठोगे ना सबके दिमाग में होना चाहिए कि भाई इस बंदे ने बोला था, या शी वॉज द वन जिसे स्पीक किया था, तुम्हारे दिमाग में अगर वो है ना तुम लोगों ने सिर्फ बोला नरेशन किया, जीडी कौन करेगा, मैं मुझे वो करने के लिए जीडी में कुछ बोला नहीं। सुमित जेंडर परसीव गलत किया स्टोरी में, जब तुमने जेंडर गलत परसीव किया दूसरों की स्टोरी में हेल्प तो करते भाई, ऐसा करते हैं ऐसा करते हैं, किसी ने बोला फाउंटेन तो भी कोई बात बोलता, जिसने नरेशन में अच्छा नहीं किया ना, यू आपके पास एक सेकंड मौका था अपने पास जीडी में अच्छा करने के लिए, और कुछ लोगों ने मौका गवाया, तुम लोगों ने, तुम चारों तो इधर की पार्टी ने मौका गवाया, इधर लोगों ने, तुम 5 लोग पूरा मौका गवाया, तुम्हारे पास मौका था जीडी में अच्छा पॉइंट डालने का, आप लोग कभी सेम बहुत कम बोला आपने। प्लस सेक्टर में वही सेम पार्क क्यों जीडी में तुमने चाहिए, जीडी में इनिशिएट स्टार्ट किया, बट तब हम एक ही बार इनिशिएट कर रहा था, आगे तो गायब हो सकते हैं पूरे जीडी में, क्यों जीडी में तुमने एक बार बोले 2 बार बोल दिया, मुझे नहीं चाहिए वो, आई वॉन्ट कि तुमने ना पर्टिकुलरली जीडी में अपना इनिशिएट डाला कि ऐसा करते हैं ऐसा करते हैं ऐसा करते हैं, ये करते हैं वो करते हैं, उन पॉइंट्स को डालो, ठीक है। सेकेंड थिंग, आज थोड़ा बेटर देखा ठीक था, फर्स्ट थिंग सबको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, अच्छे से बन के आए हो, अच्छे से बैठे रहे, सब ठीक था, बट प्री कंसीव स्टोरी नहीं लिखनी है, बोल रहे हो अपना वॉइस बहुत थोड़ा मॉडरेट करो, जब बोल रहे हो ना कहीं थोड़ा सा हाई पिच करो, कहीं थोड़ा लो पिच करो, जीडी कर रहे हो थोड़ा कहीं पे हाई हो, कहीं पे थोड़ा सा लो, अपनी स्टोरी को ऐसे बताओ कि वो सुनने में मजा है। सुना कभी से तुमने TDX टॉक सुनी होगी, सुनिए तो TDX टॉक, वो जो अपनी स्टोरी को डायरेक्ट करते हैं ना उनका तरीका है तरीका, कहीं पे हाईली पिच करेंगे, कोई थॉट आए तो हाईली पिच करेंगे, कहीं पे थोड़ा नॉर्मल बोलेंगे, कोई दुख वाली बात थोड़ा सा नॉर्मल करेंगे, तो वो जो पिच वॉइस वाला चीज़ है ना वो सीखो कि कैसे अपनी स्टोरी को करना है। स्टोरी की बात तभी आती है जब आप स्टोरी को अच्छे से नरेट करो, आपकी स्टोरी अच्छी गई ना मज़ा आएगा गाँव को, अच्छी स्टोरी सुनिए। प्लस जीडी में जितना रेशे गा सकते हो उतना रेशे करना, मज़ा आएगा, ठीक है। बाकी हर जगह देखा तुमने कह कि अपनी स्टोरी अपने पास रखना, और ये स्टोरीज को ना एक जगह बंडल बना कर बंडल, बाद में स्टोरीज कहाँ आएगी अपनी रीड करेंगे कि मेरी पहली स्टोरी किसी बेकार सी थी और अब देखो मैं क्या स्टोरी लिखता हूँ। ट्रस्ट मी, मेरी पहली स्टोरी इतनी बकवास इतनी बुद्धि थी मैं तो बता नहीं सकती, कुछ नहीं कर रखा है भाई मैंने स्टोरी, तुम्हारी तरफ बेकार, तुमसे ही बेकार स्टोरी भाई मेरी, कुछ भी नहीं कर रखा, राम श्याम ये कर रहे हैं स्टोरी, बेकार स्टोरी, तुमने इतनी कुछ तो लिखा है, इस चीज़ को आगे कैरी फॉरवर्ड करो, प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस, और इन स्टोरीज को और अच्छा करते हैं। ये हमारी पहली स्टोरी है, ट्रस्ट मी जब तुम 10 स्टोरी लिखोगे ना वो इससे काफ़ी बेटर होगा, बट प्रैक्टिस करते जाओ, ठीक है। ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट।